yourself?
I'm Kutluk Oktay. I am an ovarian biologist. So I have a research laboratory at Yale University School of Medicine.
So Oktay, he is the one who said the
Gonads are magical organs. They are. Gonads are magical organs.
Gonads are magic, magic.
So Oktay is Turkish.
You know, I was a curious kid.
He grew up in Istanbul, and he decided to go to med school, went to do OBGYN, and then delivered about 20,000 babies and was like, you know what? Maybe this isn't for me.
I wanted to be a little bit more towards the beginning of the process. You know, when you're an obstetrician, you're dealing with the finished product, right?
The finished product being baby. For Oktay, there was some sense that most of the decisions, most of something had already been decided by the time the baby gets out.
And that whole process is fascinating.
So we dragged him into the studio to talk about magical gonads, basically just to figure out why are they magical. I'm interested how you settled on that word.
Yeah, what did I say? You know, I think magical for many reasons. One is their origin, you know.
And he told me what he learned when he started studying this stuff was that the origin of the gonad, like its creation, is sort of the beginning, because it starts with this whole saga that is so involved and so extreme that the baby itself does kind of feel like an afterthought. He calls it
migration.
The Great Migration. Oktay got me into this story, and so I ended up telling a bunch of people about it.
In my lab, we have a slogan that says, "Gonads or go home."
That is Blanche Capel,
Professor in cell biology at Duke University Medical Center.
She essentially studies all the parts of the story we're about to tell you. Okay, so to place this story in time,
It begins at about 2 or 3 weeks in humans, I bet.
let's say day 24, just to be safe, which basically means a sperm fertilized an egg 23 days ago. Could be a petri dish, it could be sex, who knows. But inside this woman's uterus, there's a little organism that has been growing for 24 days.
What does the embryo look like at that point?
It's my comrade in arms, Pat Walters, who's the editor of the series.
Gosh, I don't know how to describe this very well to you. I could send you a picture.
Does it kind of look like a tadpole?
Exactly.
That's not so wrong.
There's like the sort of ball of the embryo that's like forming the developing body, and then it has this like sweep of a tail that's coming off, and if you zoom into the tail, you'll see a little region
It's called the allantois,
called the allantois.
which